Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your insurance policy with Humana, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your insurance policy with Humana, gather all relevant documents related to your current policy. This includes your policy number, personal identification, and any previous correspondence. Next, log into your Humana account on their official website. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policies section to review your current coverage. Take note of any discrepancies or areas that require changes. If you identify issues or want to make adjustments, locate the Contact Us section. Here, you will find options to reach customer service via phone, chat, or email. Choose the method that best suits your needs and prepare your questions or concerns. When you connect with a representative, clearly explain the issues you've identified. Be sure to mention any specific changes you wish to make. The representative may ask for verification of your identity, so have your information ready. Once your concerns are addressed, request confirmation of any changes made to your policy. If necessary, ask for a follow-up document that outlines the updated terms. Review this document carefully to ensure everything aligns with your discussion. If you find any further discrepancies, don't hesitate to reach out again. After confirming your policy, familiarize yourself with the new terms and conditions. It's also wise to set reminders for when your policy will need to be reviewed again. By staying proactive and informed, you can ensure your insurance policy with Humana meets your needs effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.